Today, I'm at Queensgate Shopping Centre and it's time for a lift tour. First, we got the car park lift, which is an Otis lift that goes from ground to 2. But it used to have a rear door for the ground floor, but now it's gone because of the earthquake. And it's so busy, so it took a bit of a while. And also you could see the shaft, so I got a bit of luck to see the shaft. And it's branded by Schindler. I'll hold the button. So this is a big lift at Queensgate Shopping Centre in Lower Hutt, also known as the car park. 43 persons, 3,040 kgs. These doors are so slow. Oh, you can see down the shaft. Go back to sheet. Basic interior. The reason why the interior is different at the back is because there used to be a rear door here. Now to the lift at H&M, which is a Schindler lift with Dewhurst buttons. For some reason, there's 2 panels on the same side, which is ridiculous, and it has a red indicator on the outside. So, let's ride it. This is the lift at H&M and Queensgate Shopping Centre Lower Hutt. It's a Schindler. Capacity 0. Panels on, there's 2 panels on one side, they should put one on the other side. Back to 1. Directory, tiling, ceiling. Now to the food court lift, which is an Otis Gen 2 branded by Schindler. It with Dewhurst buttons and generic indicator. But for some reason, level 2 has this key card on Bath Bed and Beyond, which is weird. Let's ride it. This is the food court lift at Queensgate in Lower Hutt. It's an Otis Gen 2. Huge indicator. 1,000 kgs, 13 persons. It's a hydraulic. I don't know if it's a traction or hydraulic actually. Sorry about that, because on level 2 you can't press the pull button because it's locked. For some reason it's kind of dumb. Now to the lift in Farmers, which is an Otis hydraulic lift. This one only goes to ground in 1, and also it has normal voice unit and big generic indicator and Dewhurst buttons. Let's ride it. So this is the lift at Farmers in Queensgate, Lower Hutt. Oh, down button's been replaced. The door close button's been replaced with a down button, and there's normal voice. This is the only lift that is not branded by Schindler. I on the ground floor. Back to 1. Faulty buttons. The capacity is 1600 kgs or 17 persons. It's a hydraulic. Now walking back where we came from and into the other car park lift, which is a new 2021 Schindler. For some reason, this one has a wheelchair panel and it goes from ground 1 and 2, which is access to the cinema to level 3. But this lift doesn't go to 3. Let's ride it. This is the other lift at the event cinemas at Queensgate Shopping Centre. For some reason this one does not have beeps on the inside panel. Alright, G. What did so? Nice electric eyes. Again, like the cinema one, it had a wheelchair panel. Capacity. And that's it. Now to the cinema lift, which goes up to levels 2 and 3. This one is another Schindler, but it has black linear indicators on the outside. And again, this one has the wheelchair panel. So let's ride it. This is a Schindler lift Queensgate in Lower Hutt. It's the one at the event cinema. With Black Liddy, I always want to see one of these. Capacity? Go back to 2. There's also a wheelchair panel. Oh, they don't beep.